Okay, so what's up guys? So today I am pretty exciting because right now the Autobot trading signal also support MetaTrader 5. So for today's videos, in order to show you how the MetaTrader 5 work with the Autobot so that you can use the indicator or expert strategies from MetaTrader 5 to automate the trade with the binary option trading broker. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn how to use MetaTrader 5 to automate binary option brokers. So here on my pocket option, so at the same time I will also open Cortex broker as well. Let's go to Cortex. I will send the alert indicator from the MetaTrader 5, and then we are going to make an execution on to a Cortex broker and at the same time with the pocket option broker as well. Okay, so right now let's open our MetaTrader 5, which called MT5. So here's my MT5. I opened the demo account with the Forex.com because Forex.com have both platform, the MetaTrader 4 and at the same time MetaTrader 5. This is the currency that I currently using. We use the Euro dollars, Dollar Japan, Euro GBP, and also Euro JPYs, and just for currency. And right now let's looking for the alert or indicator strategies that we can trigger the alert, and then we can automate onto our binary option. So let's go to the market. You can click on the market right here. Then it will open, the indicator market where you can find. So for me, I will test with the free indicator in MetaTrader 5. So let's filter to the free indicator. Let's search for the one that we think it might, make sense for us, in binary option trading. And it's called this one, price reversal predictors. Okay, so I already installed this one. If you are not yet installed, and if you wanted to find out, you can also download this indicator into your market indicator. Okay, so let's add this indicator into your chart by going to your chart, Euro dollars right here, and then let's go to that alert indicator and then just add to the chart. So when you add to the chart, make sure that use alert right here is yes, and then just click on OK. So you can see this is the alert happen. And go into Euro Japan, I'm going to add this same alert as well. Okay, Euro, and this is Euro GBP British, and then Euro Japan. We're gonna add that as well. Okay, so right now let's read the messages from this alert. Here with this price reversal predictor alert, you can see that there are, the symbol. There are the minutes, the buy signal, or the sell signals. So this is very important. You needed to use this information to link to the Autobot so that the Autobot can read it properly and will send proper signals to your broker. Okay, so let's connect to the Autobot by going to our script right here. And this is the Autobot connector. So if you are not yet have the Autobot connector into your MT5, just go to the website of the Autobot and then go to MetaTrader 4 Connect and download your MT5 connectors or MT4 connectors, depend on which platform you are using. So when you download it, just go to your MetaTrader 5 right there and then go to the scripts. Let me remove it and show you the process how you can add it. So I already downloaded. So for me, I will just go to the file, folder data right here. And from there, you go to the download and locate your MetaTrader 5 connector. Okay, this one. Just copy. One you copy and then back, or you can just close it and open the file, folder data again, and then go to MQL5 right here, go to script, then paste our connector right there, right here. So then just close it. You don't see it, just right click and refresh. you will see the auto signal connector showing right here. Just right click and then add it to chart. So before you add the auto signal connector to the chart, so let's go to the tool right here to enable webhook, so that this MetaTrader 5 server and also the Autobot server will communicate, or will link to each other. So let's go to the tool and then go to option, and make sure that you allow this algorithm trading, allow the DLL import, allow the web request listed. Just click on allow and then double click here, and then just paste our Autobot URL right here. So once you paste it right here, and then just click on OK. You can find our Autobot server URL below this videos. Just copy and then just paste it in. Okay, so when you do that, back to our auto signal connector, right click on it and then add to the chart, and let's go to the input. Then we are going to pick up the signal by looking into this alert messages. So for the call, what it say on this alert, what it says is this buy. It said buy. We're going to input the alert buy here, because the buy here in all capital, so we're going to use this all capital right here as well. Sell also gonna be all capital for sure, and the filter symbol is gonna be the name of this alert, what it is called in this alert, what it's called price reversal predictor. So we're gonna name the same price reversal. We don't have to to put all the name here. We just put just one or two word, and it should be okay. And then the signal key. The signal key is really important. It's something to communicate between the Autobot and these alert messages. So we're gonna use because the name of it, it's a price reversal, and we're gonna use something the same, PRR price reversal predictor, PRP for easy. And we're going to use it all capital. And then what a check signal, I'm going to use it 500 millisecond. If it is slower than that, we're not going to trigger. So we're going to have that, and the signal that we're using is PRP. Just right click and copy, then click OK. So at the moment you click on OK, you will see this folder open. So the reason that this folder open, because it's gonna be an expert messages that send to this folder, and then the Autobot will pick that messages and then send it to the brokers to automate. That's why this open. So you can't close it. So in order to to keep it organized, just make it smaller folder like this and then put it to a side. So you can close that one. And then right here you can see that we got one alert already. It's put, but we don't got any execution yet. So in order to get our execution, let's go to the Autobot, open our Autobot, and click on yes. Go to a pocket option, and then let's make login. Okay, once login is complete, and we're gonna paste our signal key. We use the word PRP for the signal key, remember, from our MetaTrader 5, and then click on save. Like you can see right here as well, our key is PRP, and we're gonna trade it into live account. Change it to live. So I am not sure if we can make a lot of profit from this indicator. So we're gonna try for the day. So with just $3 only, and the duration is 1 minute. We're gonna use auto martingale for 5 steps, and we'll find out how much profit we are going to make with this free indicator from MetaTrader 5. And then let's ready and click start. Okay, so when everything is started, now let's wait for the new alert to happen, and then we are going to get the execution to our pocket option right here. So in this case, I'll keep this pocket option open, and then at the same time we will also open our Autobot as well, but I'm gonna minimize this to be a small one. Okay. So I will keep it like this, and we will forward this video. So after like couple hours later, we will come back and conclude together how much profit we are going to make with this indicator from free indicator MetaTrader 5. And for now, let's enjoy. Okay, so I think that's it for now, because we have been running the software for over 3 hours already with the new indicator that we installed from MT5. And let's find out how much profit we make. For this 3 hours, we make a total of $21. That's not bad, you know, for this indicator. And we just tried in the first day, and we can see that it was only 2 losses, you know, in the 3 hours. That's pretty impressed, you know, with this. So in my conclusion, using the MT5 connects to the Autobot and help you to automate the strategy from MT5. It is the best way to go, because MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, so those platforms are free, so you don't have to pay for a subscription. Different from TradingView. TradingView, in order to get the alert and execute those alerts from the indicator, you're going to pay at least $15 or $20, you know, to pay for the subscription to get the webhook enabled, and then can send the signal to the Autobot. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to give a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for this kind of beautiful content like this every day. And see you in the next video with another strategies. For now, bye bye.